Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna show you my new Taruca Rogue Edition awning. This is a 270 plus. I already have a video on my channel where I'm talking about all the way walk around about the awning. In this video, I'm just gonna focus on the improvement of the new awning. Like usually, like always, you have the 270 plus. That means you come in like a little bit further, you know, here to the front of the truck. But let's go straight to the new features. We have here now the wiring is all integrated on the frame. That you can see here, no wiring. This one go all the way inside the frame, and also you have the main connection here, and with this little pouch here that you can put your power bank. You can, your power source, you can slide it in here and connect your awning. I have my awning connected to my radar system inside the truck. This is one of the main features that I love because now you don't have wiring. You don't have to be dealing with the wiring on your on the awning when I set up the awning. Also, the second best feature that I have is the new lights. The new lights improvement, like always, you have those lights extended in each one of the brackets here. Now these ones are touch switch. You only have to touch it and the light is gonna come on. I love this feature. I don't know if you can see it perfect here on the video, but let me show you now. You have white, you have amber, and you have combo. For those people who don't like the bright white, you have white, amber, and combo, and they're dimmable. Let me show you. You just leave your finger here for a while. I don't know if you can see on the video, but the light just dim and then go back. And also they save the settings. If you have it in low beam mode, they say like that, you can just turn off and on. And also if you're gonna go back, just leave your finger there, boom, they come pretty bright again. I love that one because now you don't have those switch that you have to click on it. I mean, it's good because you can, I mean, it's the same, it is a switch, but I like this one because how they have the touch button, and in the same switch you have all the features, and also you have the dimmable option. But I'm gonna say it again, I love that. I love how the wiring it is inside the awning. Let's keep talking about. We have here the legs. Remember, this is a freestanding awning, but also when you have a strong weather condition, you can open your legs. They have a legs on each one of the poles. And also you have here the raiser. This one here is gonna raise the canvas. That way when it's pour raining, you don't have to take the canvas and push it up to get all that water coming out. This one have those on the middle right there, have a pair. That way it's gonna be perfect. Also, the canvas is way thicker. I mean, it's so nice how thick it is. It's pretty bright right there. That's why you see a little bit of sun, the sunlight. But if you see, the sun is pretty bright right now. It's 11 a.m. on the morning. That's why you see that a small fade, but it also don't come through. Sometimes people say, oh, I saw in the photos that you can see a little bit of light. Nah, it's just because it's like a spot of bright light right there with the sun. Also, we have here in the D-zip option, we have the opening like the previous that I have, but this one have here the little string here that you can roll this one up, and then you can hold it here and keep it tight right there. The one I had before, you can't do that. I mean, you cannot do that because it doesn't have the new features. If we are gonna keep walking around, we have the new, it is no double plate here. Now it is, it's better, it's sturdy, but also it's a lightweight brackets on the back of the awning. Pretty much the canvas is pretty much the same. The canvas for the cover is pretty much the same. Let's talking about measurement. I believe it's pretty much the same measurement of the previous model, but this one is a Rogue design. That one have come with this here, that these hooks here that you can put a string and hook it to the ground and stake it down. And if you're coming all the way here, there is a new addition as well. This one here coming with this pouch here. I mean, no pouch, sorry. This little piece of fabric here attached with 3 screws here. This one, it will be your anchor point that you can put your string and tie it down. I mean, tie it open keep it open when you have those wind and to keep the awning all the way completely open. They also have the Velcro like the previous one. This Velcro is for the wall kit. You can get the wall kit. And talking about the legs, now you have legs all the way in every single one. The previous one, you have only one leg, and then you can order an extra legs. With this one, they come, each one coming with the leg. I mean, if you want to use the leg, you can use it. If not, you can just keep it up like I usually do. I don't use my legs. This is how they look like. It's a free standing awning. That means you don't need the leg. But for a strong weather condition, I will suggest to use it, because if you're gonna stake down your awning, I will suggest to open the legs. That way you have like a sturdy mounts on the awning to hold all that way when you pull those strings. This is how they look like. Like I say, this is a quick video. I will do another full walk around video of my awning, but I'm gonna give you a heads up. I mean, like I show you, give you some detail of the new awning, the Rogue design from Taruca. I love the new features. If you are thinking which one are the new features, well, you already see in this video. Probably if I miss something on this video, just go and take a look on the website and tarucausa.com, and they're gonna have all the description. I'm gonna leave you the link of the description below this video. That way you can read more information about the awning, about the measurements, about how long it is, and the brackets and everything there. If you don't follow my channel, if you're new on the channel, my name is Carlos from Iniciarte 4x4. I do review videos, I do off-road camping, I go to the events, I do a lot of videos on my social media channels. Feel free to follow and support, smash that follow button for support. And if you have any question about the awning, feel free to leave me a comment on this video. See you in the next video.